Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Point Skincare. I'm so excited to share this 7-day clear skin challenge with you guys. Achieving healthy, glowing skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. In this video, I'm breaking down this challenge into 7 simple steps, one for each day, that you can easily incorporate into your routine. We're going to detoxify, nourish, and rejuvenate your skin naturally. And the best part is, you'll start seeing visible results in just 7 days. Are you guys ready to get started? Because I am. Let's do this. Alright, let's kick off this challenge with the most essential step in any skincare routine: cleansing. Use a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser that effectively removes dirt, oil, and makeup without irritating your skin. By cleansing twice a day, once in the morning and again in the evening, you're creating a clean canvas for the rest of your skincare products to work their magic. This simple step goes a long way in preventing clogged pores, which are the root cause of those pesky breakouts we all dread. Take your time and massage your cleanser into your skin for at least 60 seconds. This allows the cleanser to penetrate deeper and really break down any impurities lurking in your pores. For those of you with acne-prone skin, look for cleansers formulated with ingredients like tea tree oil or salicylic acid. These powerhouse ingredients are known for their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help keep those breakouts at bay. Alright guys, day 2 of the challenge, and we're talking about exfoliation, the key to unlocking that radiant, healthy-looking complexion you've always wanted. We're all about gentle exfoliation here, using either a chemical exfoliant or a DIY scrub a couple of times a week. By removing those dead skin cells that have been building up on the surface, you're revealing the fresh, healthy skin underneath. This not only brightens your complexion, but also allows your other skincare products to penetrate deeper and work more effectively. When it comes to chemical exfoliants, look for products that contain AHAs like glycolic acid or BHAs like salicylic acid. These ingredients work by gently dissolving the bonds that hold dead skin cells together, revealing smoother, brighter skin without any harsh scrubbing. One of my all-time favorite natural scrubs is a simple mixture of honey, sugar, and lemon. Just remember guys, whether you choose a chemical exfoliant or a DIY scrub, be gentle with your skin. Day 3 of our Clear Skin Challenge, and we're diving deep into the world of hydration with serums and moisturizers. Hydration is absolutely crucial for maintaining a healthy, plump, and youthful complexion. Let's talk serums. These concentrated powerhouses are packed with active ingredients that target specific skin concerns. One of my personal favorites is a vitamin C serum, which brightens your complexion, fades dark spots, and protects your skin from environmental damage. In the evening, I like to incorporate a niacinamide serum into my routine. It works wonders in reducing inflammation, minimizing pores, and controlling oil production. After applying your serums, it's time to seal in all that goodness with a moisturizer. Opt for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that won't clog your pores, especially if you have acne-prone skin. Apply your moisturizer to slightly damp skin to lock in the moisture and maximize hydration. Alright guys, day 4 of the challenge, and we're talking about something super important: sun protection. Wearing sunscreen every single day, rain or shine, is the most crucial step in any skincare routine. Think of sunscreen as your skin's personal bodyguard, shielding it from the harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and even skin cancer. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, and make sure it protects against both UVA and UVB rays. UVA rays are the ones responsible for premature aging, while UVB rays cause sunburns. Reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're sweating or swimming. Protecting your skin from the sun is not just about preventing wrinkles and dark spots, it's about protecting your overall health. So make sunscreen your new best friend and never leave the house without it. It's day 5 of our 7-day Clear Skin Challenge, and we're getting our glow on with some amazing DIY remedies. First up, we have the ultimate skin soother aloe vera gel. This miracle plant is a godsend for irritated, inflamed skin. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your face before bed and wake up to soothed, hydrated skin. Next, we have a classic for a reason: the cucumber and yogurt mask. Cucumbers are known for their cooling and hydrating properties, while yogurt is a natural source of lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that helps to brighten and even out skin tone. Simply blend together a few slices of cucumber with a tablespoon of yogurt, apply it to your face, and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. And finally, for an instant pick-me-up throughout the day, I love using rose water spray. Keep a bottle of rose water spray handy and mist your face whenever your skin needs a little refresh. It's day 6 of our 7-day Clear Skin Challenge, and today, we're talking about the connection between your diet and your skin. What you put into your body is just as important as what you put on it. A diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamins can work wonders in giving you that healthy, radiant complexion you've always dreamed of. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables, especially those rich in antioxidants like berries, leafy greens, and citrus fruits. Don't forget about healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, and seeds are all excellent sources of healthy fats that help to keep your skin hydrated, plump, and youthful. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon are also incredibly beneficial for reducing inflammation and promoting healthy skin cell function. On the other hand, try to minimize your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and dairy products, as these can trigger inflammation and breakouts. Here's a quick and easy snack idea: a smoothie with spinach, banana, and chia seeds. We've made it to the final day of our 7-day Clear Skin Challenge. By now, you've learned about the importance of proper cleansing, exfoliation, hydration, sun protection, and a healthy diet. But there's one more crucial piece of the puzzle that can make all the difference in achieving and maintaining clear skin lifestyle changes. Stress is a major culprit when it comes to skin problems. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can increase oil production and inflammation, leading to breakouts and other skin issues. Find healthy ways to manage stress, whether it's through exercise, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Another important factor is sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and regenerate itself. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, including skin health. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Pay attention to your environment. Pollution, smoke, and even dry air can wreak havoc on your skin. Remember, achieving clear skin is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, listen to your skin, and make gradual changes that you can stick with long-term. Congratulations on completing the 7-day Clear Skin Challenge. You guys, I'm so proud of you for taking this step towards healthier, happier skin. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Stick with these tips, and you'll continue to see amazing results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Health Point Skincare for more skincare tips and tricks, and hit that bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. Let's achieve glowing, clear skin together.